Okay guys, so next day, this is the next day. Let's see if our preservative worked or not. Funny enough, there was no light. So let's see, without refrigeration, let's see if the preservative worked or not. This is actually the next day, so I'm going to test my Tigernut first. This Tigernut drink. I don't know. Let's check and confirm if the preservative worked or not. From what I'm seeing, Tigernut without refrigeration, without refrigerator, without freezing, stay till the next day. Guys, let me shake it very well. Okay, time to test. I'll test it. Guys, nothing changed. So this is my Tigernut after making that very day, like the same day. Let's make this Tigernut together. So guys, this is dry Tigernut. I'm going to add water to it and I'll wash it before soaking it. Tigernut is extremely dirty. Like, this thing is dirty. Even if you wash it 5 times, you're still going to find dirt. So you want to wash it very well even before soaking. And then if you want to soak it for as many days as you want, every day our advice is you wash again and then you change the water. Okay, that is just how to do it. That way you're going to reduce the amount of dirt. So after soaking my Tigernut, this is the next day. I just choose not to soak this Tigernut for so long, and that's why they are not too big. Otherwise, you can choose to soak the Tigernut up to 3 days if you want them to be big and to be milky. Yeah, if you want more milk, you want to soak it for a longer period of time. So I didn't really have much time to do this soaking here. That's why I had to soak it for just a day. Like, I soaked it and this was the next day. This is like I soaked it in the morning the previous day, and this is the evening of the next day. Now, while washing this, you want to take note and remove all the bad ones. Just check. You're going to see most of the time the bad ones will be floating up. Make sure you pick them out. If you don't pick them out and you blend everything together, those bad ones are already rotten. They are rotten, so they're going to spoil your Tigernut on time. So you want to pick them out. Take your time, wash them, check them out. You're going to see some of them used to be dark, some of them will be floating. When you see it, make sure you pick it out. Make sure that you remove it. Don't blend the bad ones and the good ones. Okay, that way you're not doing your Tigernut milk any good. So I'm just going to take my time and pick them out, and then I'll continue washing this. But I actually took this to my sink where I had bigger space to wash very well. I'm just showing you guys how I wash, just how to do it now, so you get away some of the dirt here. But I did my washing off the camera. You guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Click on that subscribe button. It is free, absolutely free to subscribe. And also drop a comment in the comment section if you have a question or there's something you want to say. Drop it in the comment section for me. If you want to train, if it's a video you want to train, you can follow the link in the description box to chat me up on WhatsApp. Also, don't forget to like this video. So I went ahead to blend this. I blended with ice block, I blended with coconut, clove and ginger. So this is my Tigernut after blending. Now you want to blend with ice block. It is very, very important. Whether you're adding preservative to it or you're not adding preservative to it, this is something you should do if you want your Tigernut to last for you. Okay, now secondly, the fact that you're adding coconut, the fact that you're adding preservative to it does not mean that you should pack the entire coconut in the market and add to your Tigernut milk. Coconut actually makes it spoil on time. But this is not to say that you shouldn't add coconut at all. You're going to add coconut, but do not add much. Add a little amount of coconut. Instead, you will see what I will do towards the end of the video. Okay, I'm going to show you how to not add so much coconut but still have your tasting like you added coconut to it. So Next, I'm going to wash this using my cheesecloth. You want to make sure that there is ice block in all these stages, all the processes, everything you're doing. We want to ensure that this tiger nut milk is cold, it is chilled. All right, so you can see my block here. I blended with some ice cubes as well. So this tiger nut milk that I'm actually seeing right now is already cold, like you can drink it chilled. It is chilled. So all these are steps that you want to follow if you want your tiger nut to last for you, even if you're adding preservative to it. And you want to make sure as well that your hand is very clean. Make sure that the things you're using are clean. You want to ensure all of these things. The fact that you're adding preservative to your tiger nut does not now mean that, oh, you're going to do it anyhow and then now just want to add preservative and just that is it. No, you still have to follow the necessary process and then you add preservative. What the preservative will do is that it's going to help extend your tiger nut shelf life. Like this tiger nut that has preservative, you're still going to keep it in the fridge. You can still freeze it if you want. You can just leave it chilled in the fridge, and this tiger nuts can last up to about 2 months in the fridge. It's not going to go bad. Do not say that because you added preservative to it, you would now keep it outside the fridge. I actually kept my own outside the fridge for just 24 hours just to test my preservative, and also there was no light when I made this tiger nut, so it stayed outside the fridge for 24 hours. And yes, with the help of the preservative, it did not go bad. But that does not mean you're going to keep your tiger nut outside the fridge for 1 week expecting your preservative to work. This is tiger nut and not yogurt. This is tiger nut and not yogurt. Now, after doing everything, after mixing, this is what I have. I'll go ahead and add my sugar to it. If you blended with dates, then you do not need to add sugar except you want to add, except you really want to add. Now, looking at the face of my tiger nut drink, you'll notice that there is not much coconut. A tiger nut drink that has so much coconut, you will see it will look creamy and a bit whitish, milky. Yeah, because coconut has so much milk. So, looking at the face of my tiger nut drink, you'll notice that I didn't really add much coconut to it. Like, I didn't even add up to 1 coconut. I'm going to add coconut flavor to it. This is actually going to make my tiger nut to taste and smell like there is much coconut in it, whereas I did not add plenty coconut. Okay, so instead of adding so much coconut to it, if you want it to last for you, you should add coconut flavor and a little amount of coconut. Now at this point, I'm going to add my preservative to it. This preservative is not a free information. This is what I teach in my preservation class for tiger nut drinks. So you learn how to mix this particular preservative in that class. Okay, so I'm going to add my preservative to it. This is what it's going to like extend the shelf life to about 2 months, like I said earlier. But then you're going to leave it in the fridge. So it's not when you come to the class, like you pay for my class and then you tell me, oh, I attended your class, I added the preservative, and then my tiger nut got spoiled in 1 week. Did you keep it in the fridge? No, I kept it on the shelf. Tiger nut, like we're talking about tiger nut. You like tiger nut that ordinarily without preservative cannot even survive for a whole day outside the fridge. You don't expect it to survive for even for 1 week with preservative. It is not yogurt. Yogurt can survive outside the fridge, but not tiger nut and not soya milk. These preservatives work very well, but you still need to chill it. You still need to chill it, and it will stay up to 2 months for you. If you don't add preservative to it, it will not stay up to 1 month in the fridge. It will not. So that is it. Now this class is not even expensive. How to preserve your tiger nut drink. It's just 5,000 naira. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.